Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and my Android phone installed Instagram, but Instagram release video not upload your mobile phone. So this video watching and solve this issue. First, your mobile phone search display setting icon. When get setting icon, then click setting icon. Setting icon click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now lower side showing apps. Click apps option. When click apps option and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now manage option. Click manage option and when click manage option this showing your mobile phone display. Then search Instagram. Type Instagram. Already showing Instagram icon. Click this option and clear data. Lower side clear data. Then click and clear all data option. Now click and OK. Then all data clear. Now permission, yes, permission, yes, permission, camera option, allow camera option and back to page. Thank you watching my video.